Chicago. The combination of spring-like ingredients across the Midwest triggered thunderstorms on Tuesday, with millions being put under severe weather alerts. The Storm Prediction Center issued a tornado watches for northern Illinois and the Ohio Valley, while much of lower Michigan was under a severe thunderstorm watch. The first tornado warning of the event was issued for Henry County, Illinois, which is located along I-80 between the Quad Cities and Chicago. Rotation in the supercell was radar indicated, and sizable hail was also reported. Storm spotters witnessed a twister on the ground near the town of Atkinson, Illinois, but there were no initial reports of widespread damage in the community. How to watch Fox Weather Henry County, ill tornado warning. February 27, 04, Fox Weather, photos from about 6 miles away in the town of Annawan, Illinois, showed a much different story. The National Weather Service received reports of damage to farms and planned to dispatch a team to investigate how strong the possible tornado was. Tornado warnings were also issued north of the Windy City and included Cook, DuPage and Lake Counties. Some communities in the warned area sounded tornado sirens late Tuesday evening. One of those communities was Arlington Heights, outside of Chicago. Despite a flurry of tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings issued around the metro, most emergency managers reported their communities escaped the storms relatively unscathed. A large tree was reported downed in the Hoffman Estates area, and power outages reached a peak of around 10,000 on Tuesday evening. Wind damage in Hoffman Estates. Ill, at Nathanhansen_WX, Fox Weather. Out of abundance of caution, a ground stop was issued at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport and Midway International Airport. As is common during threats of severe weather, the control tower at O'Hare was briefly evacuated as workers and travelers were urged to seek shelter during the storm. Air traffic was able to resume after the storm pushed eastward out over Lake Michigan, but hundreds of flights were delayed or canceled into the major airports. Chicago O'Hare storm impacts. Michael O'Neill, Fox Weather. Happening NowA Tornado Watch continues to be in effect for the Ohio Valley as a staunch cold front moves eastward. Communities such as Louisville and Cincinnati were included in the initial alert zone. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for rotating storms in and close to the watch area. The SPC warned that in addition to tornadoes, large hail and wind gusts to 70 miles per hour were possible. A map showing both tornado and severe thunderstorm watches in effect. Fox Weather, rain threat pushes east to include areas from Tennessee Valley to New England. This graphic shows the severe weather threat on Wednesday, February 28, 2024. Fox Weather. The severe weather threat will continue into Wednesday and has expanded in coverage to include areas from the Tennessee Valley to New England.